Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please make sure you have hit the like, share and subscribe button. Today we will be talking about global warming. The globe is now heating up. Global warming is the long-term heating of Earth's climate system, and we are the one responsible for the change. The increase in the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere due to deforestation, which have a major role to remove the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And our daily used vehicles like cars, trucks, which creates these gases. And also the combustion of fossil fuels in the industries contributes to it. These gases heat up the planet through greenhouse effect. See how? Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. are increasing in the atmosphere. And when the radiations from the sun reaches to the ground or atmosphere, the radiations are being absorbed by these gases and thus trap the sun's heat. This process makes the Earth's surface more warmer. Therefore, the simple thing we can do is planting more and more to remove the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Forest preservation is also a solution. Recently, government allowed digging Patkai wildlife sanctuary for coal mining, and we all have to raise voice against it. Now, let's see the long-term effects. Melting of ice, rising in sea level, rapid change in weather, etc. also may lead to rise in different diseases. Since 1990, average global temperature rises by 3 to 4 degrees till now. So keep thinking, keep planting and save our nature for better future. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel.